Hello guys, CAMWorks for Beginners Part 7. In this tutorial I will show you how you can simulate your toolpath. A very important step in CNC programming is to be sure that you will have a good toolpath. So for this you will need to simulate your toolpath. In CAMWorks you have a lot of options when we are talking about simulation. So I will present you two of these, which are called Simulate Toolpath and Step Through Toolpath. I will start with Step Through Toolpath. So here you will see the tool and the toolpath. You will have the ability to go single step, to just play, and this is the speed. You will have here all the informations about the toolpath and not at least the name of the tool, the estimated machining time, and the toolpath length. So I will just click, and this is a simulation, and you can see only the toolpath. It's a very good simulation, but for a new user I recommend Simulate Toolpath, where you will see the stock and what will happen on the machine. Let me explain to you all the options here. You have here two types of simulation. It's tool mode, it's just like will happen on the machine, and a turbo mode, which will generate a faster simulation, but the quality of the simulation, it's not very good. It's a, let's say, rough. There is this one, turbo mode. It's single step. When I click run, it will run all the simulation according to the selection here. Right now, if I click run, it will play all the operations. I have here another function, next level, next toolpath, next operation, next tool. I will click next toolpath. This is the simulation speed control. After all the simulation is done, I need to have a comparison between the machine and the 3D model. This is a very powerful option. A section view, very good for turning. Save the working piece as a STL file. If I have to set up, I machine the first setup, simulate, save the whip as STL, and this STL file I will define as stock in my second setup. All the options here are for displaying. This is a show animation, one move, two moves, and so on. The stock display, if you want to display the holder or not, is here. The tool, of course, and these three functions are for collision between part and tool, between part and tool shank, between part and tool holder. You have three options here: ignore, cut, and pause. I will click on pause. This means that will stop my simulation if anything goes wrong. I will move the speed here and click play. So right now, please look here, the first operation in the face milling. Okay, center drill, then the contouring of the board diameter, the chamfering of the board diameter, the chamfering of the hole, center drill, rough of the corner slot, finish of the corner slot, rough mill of O-brown pocket, the finish of O-brown pocket, and if you remember for the last tutorial I inserted manually another rough mill for this O-brown pocket. So this is, I can delete this option. So right now the simulation is good. How can I be sure that everything is okay? Well, show difference between the machine and the 3D model. According to the legend here, green means 0 millimeter, and as you can see, I need to manually insert a part perimeter for this part in order to have a good and green area for all this part. So this is the simulation in CAMWorks. Until the next tutorial, see you, bye bye.